Hello, sports fans! On her skateboard, faster than a barracuda, here's Zelda!
Hello!
Awesome! You go so fast, babe, I can't even shoot you!
You flatterer! Let's see your good pictures. Oh, maybe not. Come on, let's talk skate. I love coming to the skate park with my crew, my group of mates. Hi! We're the crew crocodiles. Let's go, reptiles, let's show him. There, Tom's doing a slide. Nelson's doing a flip. Oh, and Alice and Loli.
Oh, Zelda, you're beautiful. The light is your friend. Can you feel the magic?
In skate, you strengthen your legs, back and tummy. But it isn't just a sport, it's a state of mind.
State of mind. That's what's important for taking a great photo, being zen, and... Oh, hey, slideball, do you know who I am? Oh, did you see that? No respect for art. Vandals!
The largest skate park in the world is in Shanghai. It's 13,700 square meters. That's about 70 tennis courts.
That's ginormous! Oh, I think, my darlings, it's no good. Oh.
Speed up, Theo, jump, and find your strong foot. If it's your right foot, you're a goofy. If not, you're regular. It's your right foot, you're goofy.
Goofy! Skateboarding is awesome! Skateboarding is physical, so you can build up endurance and imagine your own sport track in your garden, for example. No! Get me out of here!